The Daily Code Snippet. Making circles and elliptical shapes was new with CSS 3. Once it was possible, it began to be used as a feature. A common way you see circles used in websites today is in a staff section. Rather than presenting the images of people as square or rectangular portraits, it became trendy to show their headshots in a circle. We go over how to do this using the border radius property. We created a sample page and blocked out a section for staff. In that section, the HTML shows several image elements. We are drawing in the same silhouette image into each of our circles for demonstration purposes. For the CSS, we can target the image elements in section 5 using its ID attribute. Hashtag section 5 image. Each shape has the same width and height to make a square. The border radius is set to the same height to make a circle. We use a float to make the images sit side by side into 2 rows at this browser width. If you were to scale the browser, the images would move accordingly. The margin and padding are added to give space. The code will display like this. So now you too can incorporate this into your websites. Presented by Designers Learn Code.